Today, we're addressing a commonly asked question among food delivery app users. Does DoorDash take PayPal? This might seem like a simple yes or no query, but let's explore the nuances that come with digital payments and food delivery services. Firstly, let's understand what PayPal is. PayPal is a widely used online payment system that allows users to make transactions securely without sharing financial details with merchants. It's known for its convenience and security, making it a popular choice for online shopping. Now, back to our main question regarding DoorDash. DoorDash is one of the leading food delivery platforms, offering a wide range of culinary options from local restaurants directly to customers. As the digital economy evolves, so do the payment methods accepted by platforms like DoorDash. Historically, DoorDash has primarily accepted payments through credit and debit cards. However, recognizing the growing preference for diverse payment options, DoorDash has expanded its payment methods to include PayPal. Yes, you heard that right. You can use PayPal for your DoorDash orders, providing an added layer of convenience and security to your food delivery experience. This inclusion of PayPal aligns with DoorDash's aim to make food delivery as seamless and user-friendly as possible. For those who prefer using PayPal for online transactions, this is fantastic news. It simplifies the payment process, allowing you to enjoy your favorite meals with just a few clicks. There's a catch though. While PayPal is available as a payment option, its availability might vary based on your location. Therefore, it's always a good idea to check the app for the most current information regarding payment options in your specific area. In conclusion, DoorDash does take PayPal, offering a secure and convenient way to settle your food delivery orders. This reflects the broader trend of digital platforms, embracing various payment methods to cater to user preferences. Whether you're craving a late-night snack or planning a meal with friends, knowing you can pay with PayPal can make the ordering process smoother. Thank you for watching. In our digital age, understanding the payment options available can make our online transactions much more convenient. Whether it's DoorDash or another service, consider your payment options for a hassle-free experience. Enjoy your meals and stay savvy with digital payments.